Zimbabwe's diamonds are under siege in one of the first cases of litigation in the international arena over farm seizures. In 2009, the World Bank's International Center for the Settlement of Investment Disputes awarded a group of Dutch farmers compensation after it found Zimbabwe had violated a bilateral investment protection agreement by seizing their farms without compensation. But frustrated by the slow pace of compensation, the farmers reportedly sold their claim to a US company. That company has now approached the Belgian courts to attach Zimbabwe's assets. The court case has been closely monitored by over 4,000 farmers who've been blocked from contesting land seizures locally. Justice for Agriculture has 80 members who sought a compensation order from the SADC tribunal shortly before it was disbanded.
The seriousness of this is that, all in all, it constitutes crimes against humanity, and there's no statute of limitations on it. So the claims, the tangible claims in Zimbabwe government terms, if this is dealt with comprehensively in international law, are going to amount to about $40 billion US. Certainly from the point of view of Zimbabwe, these issues are not going to go away. They have to be dealt with.
The estimated 500 carats of diamonds in Belgium were jointly mined by the state-owned Zimbabwe Mining Development Corporation and companies from Lebanon, South Africa and China operating in the Chiadzwa diamond fields. But chances of seizing the diamonds appear slim.
It might fall on the same basis that the companies involved in the sale of the diamonds are distinct as an entity from the government of Zimbabwe. So that might raise challenges, but it does give serious embarrassment to the government of Zimbabwe, and it compromises all international transactions that the government of Zimbabwe might be involved in. So, and it might also scare off investors who might want or might be willing to do business with Zimbabwe.
The auction was to be one of the few international sales the country has held since the global diamond watchdog, the Kimberley certification process, lifted its ban on trade in Zimbabwe's gems. Zimbabwe has dispatched a legal team to Belgium to contest the seizure claim. Shinga Nyoka, SABC News, Harare, Zimbabwe.